Hello everyone. Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to create a logo using golden ratio technique. First of all, copy this circle and paste it. Make it center align. Now press Shift plus Alt and drag this circle to the bottom. After that, copy one more circle and paste it, and press Alt plus Shift and drag it down. Select whole shape and press Alt plus Shift, and drag it to the right side. And adjust this shape. After that, go to Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Make everything horizontal align. Then duplicate this line and drag it down, where it intersects the circle. Now duplicate both these lines, and drag to the bottom. After that, select entire shape, and go to Live Paint Bucket tool and select it. After this, select any color to fill in. Then check on, so it will remove its edges. After doing this, go to Object, and then expand it. After the expansion, go to Pathfinder and select Unite option. Now scale it down. Add text bottom of this logo. And change logo color type to gradient color, and set gradient angle to -60 degrees. Our logo is done. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.